Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE commenced its 3-day Golden Jubilee celebration in Tura, marking 50 years of serving the educational needs of the state's children. The event, which included a grand bike rally across the town on the 17th of October 2023, was inaugurated by the MBOSE Executive Chairman P Marak. The rally, which started from the new Tura campus, passed through various key areas before culminating at the Green Haven complex in Walbakgre. A series of programs such as the unveiling of the board souvenir during a special presentation titled Milestones of MBOSE have been planned for the celebrations. The festivities will also feature quiz competitions and cultural events involving students from various schools. Notable figures like the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma attended the second day of the celebrations on the 18th of October 2023. A special program titled The Spread of Education in Meghalaya saw participation from a panel of academic experts. The celebrations also provided an opportunity for visitors and locals to explore an MBOSE model, a live museum, and view local products presented by self-help groups at the event venue.
Perhaps between the 50 years of its existence this year. You can recall back the full children of our street, none other than that Cabinet WSO. An entire cabinet team, an entire offices, for a visionary and able leadership that has laid down the foundation for the entire state's future.
This is a part to share the celebrations together. The whole is very small. Now the education system in the state level, in the whole country as a whole, it generally promotes very fast. Frankly speaking, even me myself, I think all of us agree. You see now in your own home, in your own family, your children 2-3 years, nobody is put in the mobile to see. They teach us in fact, class 3, class 4 students nowadays. So anyway, challenge is there, wrong road is there, but there is a solution to every problem. I should say this. There is a solution to every problem. No one is master in this world. I should thank our Chief Minister, under his leadership. The education sector has changed in so many ways in terms of rationalizations, and recently we formed the Commission on Education or Educations. We try to see what are the classroom, what are the additional classroom required. Recently, government have sanctioned hundreds of number of additional classrooms. Some schools have sanctioned 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh to improve. Some schools need renovation the whole building, some schools need only roof, some schools need benches, some schools need computer. Yes, we are trying from the government. I didn't say that we are perfect, can do whatever they want. We know challenges are there. Challenges are there. So therefore, because of teamwork, the MBOSE has grown from time to time.